Hello, my name is Eileen Watangia. Welcome to this Smart Shopping Trolley project presentation for RegMart. In this presentation, I will introduce the Smart Shopping Trolley system and the current market experience, business and project objectives and scope, the system features and requirements, its cost and benefits and risks associated, the business impact of this project, capital budget analysis, and our sensitivity analysis, and we'll conclude with the recommendations. As we all know, we can get easily frustrated when we go shopping and not able to locate the particular item that we want to purchase, or we get easily discouraged when we see long queues and try to find the shortest queue in the store. Well, this smart shopping trolley system is about to change all that. It is an innovative technology leveraging the emerging mobile communications and automatic identification technologies, and this will change the way the customers will shop and the way the business will interact with its customers. The technology has been available as early as 2003. Over time, it has improved, replacing the technology that we see in most shops, which is the barcode readers. And with this system, it will be using the radio frequency identification technology. And most of the implementations that we've reviewed have been trials. According to the CNET, Safeway supermarket installed a similar system. The concerns they raised were to do with privacy issues and customer dissatisfaction of the product alert services. So these are some of the market experience of similar initiatives. There are also others that had similar experiences. The business objectives for this project is to strengthen customer relationships through improving the shopping experience, achieving operational excellence through automating processes, and improving decision making by understanding our customers better. Improving the shopping experience is the major project objective by locating the product items easily and reducing the long queues. As I mentioned, that these are some of the issues that easily frustrate our customers, and the business is able to market products and services better. The scope of the project includes two phases. Phase one being a pilot project, which involves one store and to install the smart trolley units, and also the smart trolley database system, enabling the wireless communication within the store, because these smart trolleys will communicate through the wireless network, enabling connectivity through the cloud services for customers, because they will also connect to this system through the internet, maybe to edit their shopping list or find out what products are on sale and so forth, and enable self-checkout service, and providing end-user technical training. Once phase one is complete and successful, we will implement phase two of the project, which is to implement the system through the 10 stores. The features of the smart shopping trolley system includes accessing shopping lists, accessing product promotions, and other internet interactive services. Once the customer enters the store and logs into the smart display, logs into the system through the smart display, the customer will be able to access the shopping list, and the system will locate the items as per the shopping list. So and also it'll be intelligent enough to indicate which aisle to go first, and pick up those items so that the customer doesn't go back and forth the aisles. If a specific recipe is required by the customer, all the customer has to do is select that recipe. The system will locate the items, and the customer is able to locate the items easily. Once the items are placed into the trolley, it's scanned by the RFID reader, which is the scanning device, and then inputs that into the billing system and adds up the cost until the customer is ready to make payments. The payment can be totaled up, and the customer is able to make payments self-checkout, and otherwise the customer also has the option of the cashier to assist. The requirements of implementing this system includes the trolley unit. So trolley units will be equipped with these smart displays, and these smart displays have embedded card readers as well as the RFID technology, which is the reader, the RFID reader itself, and a wireless LAN card, which is responsible for communicating through the wireless network to the internal systems. Wireless technology has to be installed throughout the system, throughout the store. The internet and telecommunication links will also be required. This system will be running on web servers and database servers, so software and hardware costs. So hardware needs to be acquired. There'll be some system integration required, so to interface with our internal systems, and backup as part of security. Backup is paramount, because this will be this will impact on the business if the system is not available. Also for security, because the customers will be accessing our internal systems, security around the system is also important. Some of the benefits for this system includes increased checkout efficiency, because the customer is able to do that himself. The long queues will be reduced. Customers are also able to locate items efficiently. It will be an alternative marketing avenue for the company, and so that will increase marketing of our products and services, enabling business process efficiency through better payment methods, and inventory management will reduce labor cost as well. Cost-related items for this system would include the hardware and software related costs, system integration and ongoing maintenance costs, telecommunication costs, and ITD administrative costs. Associated risks would include acceptance of the new technology. Some customers may not be willing to use this technology. Privacy issues, because monitoring the customer within the store. They may raise some concerns with privacy, job redundancy, high maintenance, security, and may be complicated to install. Of course, every IT initiative will have impact on the business processes. Uh, this system is no exception. HR will be impacted through because of the reduced labor. Um, because we are automating processes, there'll be jobs made redundant. Um, of course, there'll be training required to upskill operators and administrators of this system. In the finance department, the budget needs to be allocated for IT, which means there'll be an increased allocation for IT. Payment integration, whereby payments will be made straight to our payment system, reducing the errors made by cashiers. Sales and marketing. This is an opportunity to increase marketing for products. On the other hand, there'll be increased content management to constantly update the system to reflect what's actually in our stores. And of course, our sales and marketing team will have better knowledge of the customer behavior to create marketing strategies for the customers. In the production area, there'll be improved inventory management. At the same time, there'll be an increased management of trolleys and shopping aisles because of the devices that are attached to these trolleys and the technology that is installed within the shopping aisles. In IT, this system, once implemented, it will expand the IT portfolio, meaning it will be a new service to manage. So they'll need to allocate appropriate resources to manage this new service. Going on to our financial aspect of the project, for the cash flow analysis, we have a total initial investment of 3.8 million, which accounts for the trolley units, the hardware and software costs, the network and security costs. Total cash outflows over the 6 years, which also includes the ongoing maintenance of the system, gives us a total of 9.6 million. And the total cash inflows of over the 6 years equates to 11.4 million. Our cumulative cash flow is 1.78 million. With this being the initial outlay for capital budget, financial forecast at a discount rate of 10% gives us an NPV of 4.05 million, which is profitable figure there. Payback is 4.09 years. Our IRR is 12%, which is greater than the discount rate, and a PI is 2.27, which indicates profitable investment. For the sensitive analysis, we considered 3 different cost variables. The first one being a 10% increase in hardware cost and the discount rate remaining at 10%. That gave us an NPV of 4.05 million with an IRR of 12%. The profitability index was 2.27, and the payback period was almost 4 years. Despite the increase in cost, there will still be a positive outcome for the project. In the second scenario, as you can see, we considered a 15% decrease in network cost, with the discount rate remaining at 10%. That gave us an NPV of 4.02 million, and an IRR at 16%, giving us a profitability index of 1.87, and the payback period is 3.7 years. For the last scenario, we considered an increase in discount in the discount rate, which is 12%, and that gave us an NPV of 3.84 million with an IRR of 12%, and the profitability index at 2.15. The payback period is 4 years. With all these considerations, there will still be a positive outcome for the project, indicating that this investment will be profitable for the company. To conclude, the smart shopping trolley system will enhance the customer's shopping experience, provide an operational efficiency and cost effectiveness for the business. And our recommendation as a result of the positive outcome of our analysis that the project is a profitable investment, and Regmart should proceed with the project. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation today.